In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect torque tension cell to MC950 and perform the calibration. A torque tension cell can measure tension or load and thread torque. There are two signals that come out of the connector that's on top of the torque tension cell, and they split off to two separate channels. We normally connect tension to channel 2 and thread torque to channel 3. And as usual, you'll be connecting your input torque channel to channel 1, torque transducer to channel 1. So, in regards these two, there is a resistor which goes with this transducer. This resistor is 218K resistor, which you need to connect it to external Cal1. And you can unscrew these two posts and slide the resistor into these holes under these posts and tighten. Thread torque for calibration needs this resistor. Now let's see how we're going to use this. Starting with the MC911, we go into analog input. We have it on the channel 2. We can configure and read the sensor. When we read the sensor, it reads two things. It reads load sensor and torque transducer. Our channel 2 is associated with load sensor, which is connected to load. So in here, we have all the information. We transfer to channel 2. So it is calibrated at 152.03 kilonewton and is using the shunt resistor 87.15K. So we calibrate this. The reason we're using this low, about half of the full scale, because we can adjust the full scale anything we want as long as we're above 152 kilonewtons. So our range is 300, so we leave it at 300 kilonewton. So let's go to channel 3. On channel 3, configure, we read the sensor again. Same information shows up. This time we are connected to channel 3, so it's a torque transducer. So we transfer the data. As you see here, our calibration value is 260.96 Newton meter, and it requires an external one shunt resistor. The reason we use external one because we want to use that 218.4K resistor. Internally, we only have two resistors, which doesn't satisfy that resistance. So we introduce it through the external one shunt resistor to accomplish this. So once we're done, so we calibrated both of them. In here, this is a normal 0.403 millivolt per volt for thread torque. So both of them are set to go and ready to acquire data.